My name is Darren Feinblum, and I'm one of the partners at Feinblum and Hanel. Let's talk about the Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. If you've been arrested for DUI and you refused a breath test or you blew over the legal limit, your license is going to be administratively suspended by the Department of Motor Vehicles. You ask, what is that? Well, what happens with that is that night of the DUI arrest, they took your license away, and they gave you a DUI citation. That citation is your license for the first 10 days. You can drive it on an unlimited basis anywhere you'd like. Restaurants, movies, wherever you want for the first 10 days. Within those 10 days, we got to challenge that license suspension. You say, well, how can I do that? Well, that's what we pay us for. We know how to do that. What we do is we file some paperwork with the Department of Motor Vehicles in Clearwater. Even if you're anywhere on the West Coast, the DMV office is in Clearwater or in Tampa. And we'll file that paperwork, and within 10 days, before your 10 days expire, we'll get you a 42-day permit. That'll allow you to drive for necessary reasons. Work, school, synagogue, church, anything that's necessary, doctors, grocery store, not to the movies, not to the gym. You need to be very careful. We're going to help you through that process and answer any questions you may have. But if you violate that restriction, the state attorney's office in every county in which we practice will be seeking 30 days jail. So let's talk about the formal review hearing, because that's what we've requested. I can't tell you how limited the legislators have made our ability to attack in this type of situation. But we're experienced, and we do upwards of 6 to 7 a week, and we know how to win these hearings. So what we need to do immediately is get the paperwork. We need to find out if the police officer made any mistakes. If so, we will not subpoena the officer. We'll go forward just based on the paperwork. This is not a situation where there's a judge or a jury. It's just a DMV officer, and they're going to make a decision as to whether to invalidate or validate that suspension. If we win your hearing, you will get your full driving privilege back while your criminal case is pending. Make sure to keep those two sides separate. The DMV hearing and the criminal case, those are two different things. Although at some point they will intermingle. If we lose your hearing, you'll have to go, if you took a breath test, 30 days without any driving, and you can get another hardship license. If there's a refusal and we are unsuccessful in winning your license back for you, it's 90 days. I don't like to think like that, though. Give us the opportunity to win your license back for you, and let's keep you driving. We know how important it is to you. Give me a call here at Feinblum and Hanel. I'm Darren Feinblum, 1-800-FIGHT-IT.